Are you searching for the best skin scrubber? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best skin scrubber in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. ANLAN Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber Deep Cleaning. The ANLAN Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber is a revolutionary device that combines the power of ultrasonic and EMS, electrical muscle stimulation, technologies to deliver a deep and effective facial cleansing experience. This electric facial cleansing brush is designed to remove impurities, unclog pores, and stimulate collagen production, leaving your skin smoother, brighter, and more youthful. With its sleek metal construction and ergonomic design, the ANLAN Skin Scrubber is not just a tool for cleansing but a statement of modern skincare. Portable design, compact and lightweight at 76g, this facial machine is easy to carry for on-the-go skincare. Long-lasting battery. With a 500 mAh battery, enjoy up to 50 minutes of continuous use for thorough cleansing sessions. 4 modes. Offers 4 modes for personalized skincare, including ion export, ion and import for optimal results. Free scrubber, best face cleaner. Ultrasonic technology harnesses ultrasonic waves for deep pore cleansing, removing impurities and blackheads effectively. EMS microcurrent features EMS microcurrent to stimulate facial muscles, enhancing skin elasticity and lifting.